Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to add or update your payment methods. This is how your subscribers will update your payment methods in the account settings. So to update the payment methods, an admin user is going to navigate to the payment methods tab. There's an add payment method button. All that needs to be done here is give it a name. Let's call it default. We're just going to give it a description of default payment method. We have different payment methods. So we're going to pick one that is relevant to our service. We're just going to pick card. Currency is going to be USD. All right. And as you can see, we have the widgets for the payment element. Going to put a billing address. All your users need to do is just put in the card info and then add payment method, and that's it. They would have successfully added the payment method to their accounts. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.